Rabbit, look at this shiny box. It's a time machine.
A time machine? Are you sure it's safe?
Safe is boring. Go to the dinosaur age.
Whoa, everything is huge. Monkey, stay close.
I'm hiding behind a leaf. Barely.
Okay, maybe we should read the instructions first.
Instructions are for boring bunnies.
Monkey, we're in the King's Banquet Hall.
I called dibs on the giant pie.
Dibs, you just ate our last adventure.
Dude, that was crazy.
See, Monkey? Curiosity is fun, but patience and thinking ahead are true treasures.